Hello students, today we'll discuss a critical topic in real estate law, the Torrens system of title, and how it compares with other methods of title registration. By the end of this lesson, you will understand what the Torrens system is, how it differs from traditional title methods, and the roles that title opinions, cloud on title, quiet title lawsuits, and title insurance play in real estate transactions. This knowledge is essential for passing your real estate exam. The Torrens system is a government-managed system of land registration that provides a method for proving ownership and establishing title to property. Under the Torrens system, the government guarantees the accuracy of the title, which simplifies the process of transferring real estate. A certificate of title is issued, and it serves as definitive proof of ownership. There is no need for a title search as the state registers and guarantees the ownership, which helps eliminate risks like fraud or conflicting claims of ownership. This system is most commonly used in countries like Australia, Canada, and certain U.S. states. Advantages: it provides clarity and security in title transfer, reduces the risk of fraud, it eliminates the need for complex title searches. In contrast to the Torrens system, traditional title methods rely on the principle of title by chain. In this system, title to a property is proven through a series of deeds that track the history of ownership. A title search is done to ensure that the seller has clear ownership of the property and that no one else can make a claim. If the title search reveals any issues, like missing deeds or encumbrances, a cloud on title might exist. A cloud on title is any unresolved issue that casts doubt on the ownership or transferability of a property. Definition of encumbrance. An encumbrance is any claim, lien, charge or liability attached to a property that may affect its value or transferability. Common examples include mortgages, a loan secured by the property tax liens, unpaid taxes that could lead to a claim on the property, easements, rights granted to others to use a portion of the property for specific purposes, for example, utility companies, judgments, court decisions that may result in liens or other claims on the property. Challenges with traditional methods: it can be time-consuming and costly to conduct thorough title searches. Any errors in the chain of title or the existence of encumbrances can create legal disputes. A title opinion is a legal document provided by an attorney after performing a title search. It gives an opinion on the status of the title, identifying any potential issues such as unpaid liens, easements or restrictions, missing signatures or faulty documents in the chain of title. While title opinions are useful for determining the legal standing of a property, they do not offer guarantees like the Torrens system. A quiet title lawsuit is a legal action taken to resolve any dispute regarding the ownership of a property, especially when there is a cloud on title. It allows the court to clear the title by issuing a judgment that confirms the rightful owner. This process can be time-consuming and expensive, but is necessary if there are conflicting claims to the property that cannot be resolved through negotiation. Title insurance is an insurance policy that protects property buyers and lenders against financial loss due to defects or problems with the title that were not discovered during the title search. Unlike other types of insurance which protect against future events, title insurance protects against issues that have already occurred but were not uncovered prior to the purchase. Protection provided by title insurance. Protection for buyers. If a problem arises after the purchase, for example, someone else claims ownership of the property or a lien that wasn't found in the title search, title insurance covers the buyer's financial loss. Protection for lenders. Lenders also require title insurance to protect their investment in case the title is later found to be defective. This ensures that the lender can recover the loan if something happens to the title. Examples and scenarios. Scenario 1. A buyer purchases a property, but several months later, a long-lost heir of a previous owner comes forward claiming ownership. The title insurance policy would cover the legal costs and any financial losses that result from the claim. Scenario 2. After closing, the buyer discovers that the previous owner didn't pay property taxes, and there is a lien placed on the property. Title insurance would cover the costs of clearing the lien, ensuring the buyer doesn't lose their investment. Scenario 3. A property is purchased with an easement for a neighboring property's driveway, which wasn't disclosed during the title search. Title insurance would protect the buyer against this undisclosed encumbrance. Types of title insurance: owner's policy protects the buyer's interests and covers issues like fraudulent claims or undisclosed heirs. Lender's policy protects the lender's interest in the property, covering risks like prior unpaid debts or claims against the property. Security and assurance. The Torrens system offers more security since the government guarantees the title, while traditional methods rely on title searches and title opinions. Complexity. Traditional methods can be more complex, requiring detailed title searches, resolving clouds on title, or even filing quiet title lawsuits. In contrast, Torrens simplifies the process with its direct registration. Cost title insurance is necessary in both systems, but Torrens typically involves fewer costs related to title searches and dispute resolution. Key terms: lender, mortgagor, mortgage, mortgagee, and EE rule. In real estate, OR is used to describe the person or entity that gives something, while EE is used to describe the person or entity that receives something. This is known as the OREE rule. Lender, mortgagee. The individual or institution that provides the loan for the purchase of real estate. They hold the mortgage or a security interest on the property as collateral for the loan. Mortgagor. The borrower who takes out the loan and pledges the property as collateral. The mortgagor is responsible for repaying the loan to the lender. Ultimately, the mortgagor is the giver because they make payments to lender or mortgagee who receives the payments. Mortgage. A legal agreement in which the mortgagor pledges property to the lender as security for a loan. If the mortgagor defaults on the loan, the lender can foreclose on the property to recover the owed amount. In summary, the Torrens system of title registration offers a more streamlined, secure, and government-backed method of proving ownership compared to traditional methods like chain of title and abstracts. However, in areas that still rely on traditional methods, problems such as cloud on title or disputes may require a quiet title lawsuit or a title opinion from an attorney. Title insurance is an important safeguard in both systems, providing protection against unforeseen issues that could arise after the purchase of property. Whether it's a fraudulent claim, hidden liens, or undisclosed encumbrances, title insurance ensures that property buyers and lenders are financially protected. As real estate professionals, it's vital to understand how each of these methods works and how title insurance plays a role in protecting all parties involved in the transaction. Additionally, understanding key terms like lender, mortgagor, mortgage, and the OREE rule will help you navigate legal documents and transactions effectively. By understanding these systems and how they compare, you'll be in a strong position to pass your real estate exam and assist your future clients in navigating the complexities of property. Keep studying and putting the building blocks together one topic at a time. Thank you for watching.